Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take slow motion video in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, in your phone, open camera and here go to more button and here select SLOMO, that is called slow motion. Now start recording your video. I am going to record this video. Okay, start recording. While recording, it will be like a normal video. Okay, but after playing the video, you will see the slow motion. Okay. And I stop the video and I play the video that I took. Before that, I give auto rotate so that I can see it in the landscape. See here, see the slow motion video. So action is very slow. So in this way, you can easily take slow motion video in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.